Good morning. It is Friday, April 1st, 2016, April Fool's Day, and we're on our way to North Charleston to my house. The contractor's going to be there today to start tearing the bathroom apart, and I've got mildew on the ceiling in the sunroom, and so I've got to go up and scrub that all off. And then Larry's going to help around in the yard or whatever else needs done. So it's going to be a busy, busy day. And Larry's going in to get him some tea. Well, here we are in the house. Some of the boards for the bathroom. There's a new dehumidifier we bought a while back. Vanity bar. This is the dining room. You see stains on the carpet. It's just a mess. I think we're going to have to replace it. At least the kitchen floor still looks good. There's sticky things on the walls in here. There's the stove and the refrigerator. You care if I video that while before we start? And I'll have before and after. There's the bathtub. There's the ceiling. It's so bad. It's all chipped, cracked. There's a big crack going across there. Right there. You can start taking some of the block off already. It's loose, and the wallpaper is where the medicine cabinet was. Here's the sink. This is the closet. It's going away. And the door. There's a bad crack here in the ceiling. Goes down to the window. Tiles are coming off.
Oh,
the wallpaper.
They're hardly even glued on.
Yeah. And the commode is out here to be put back later. And there's the pile of debris that came off the walls. There's the wiring for the lights. There's the Here's the plumbing. The other plumbing. And he's working his way up. All this has got to be done yet. He covered the tub to protect it. And that was good. Clean, taken out around the window. But you can see there's no insulation in the wall. We'll have to see about maybe putting some styrofoam insulation, if that would work. I'd like to talk to William. There's the outlets. Outlet and the light switch. That looks like plasterboard, not really plaster, because I don't see any wire anywhere. So that'll make it easier to do. Closet's got to be tore out yet, and the pocket door put in. We primed the pump for the well and got it going, but the water is still brown. We're letting it run to get all that out of the lines. Because they're going to shut the water off at the house tomorrow, and we'll need water to clean with, so we thought we'd try and get the pump going. It's just got to get down to clear water. There's the pump and the air tank. And the switch to turn them on and off. Pressure's about, it don't get as high as it used to. It's only about 9, but it's pumping. I got about a fourth of the ceiling done maybe, and it's 1:30. It's a lot worse over here where I haven't cleaned, and down there is where I did clean. And our pretty light fixture, the shade was all cracked into 3 pieces, so we had to take it down and get a new one to replace. Larry thinks he's got one at home he can bring. Go back to work. This is the end of the day. We're going home. And they're leaving too. That wallpaper's gone. This wall's out. Said there'd be 3 people working in here tomorrow. And the closet's gone. And everything's done. So that's the way it is. I gotta replace wood around the window. We're back home and taking it easy after our strenuous day. Larry, besides getting the pump running, he trimmed some in the yard and cleaned out the garage pretty much. And all the junk that was in there and swept. So he had a busy day too while I was washing the ceiling. So he's just kicking back now and just finished up his boiled peanuts. And I had a few of them. They were pretty good.
Half of them.
Yeah, I had a few of them. So, good night. God bless.